Are you stuck wondering what niche to focus on for your bookkeeping business? Do you feel like you're spinning your wheels, trying to market to everyone but not landing on the clients that you really want? Imagine having a personal AI coach that guides you through choosing the right industry, gives you a ready-to-use outreach script, and even sparks ideas that you can use to post on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, you name it, all in just minutes. Hi, I'm Veronica Sagastumi, and I created Nisha, the niche matchmaker bot for bookkeepers like you. Nisha is your personal AI guide, built with my Profit Booster 1000 niches and sub niches, plus my latest ebook book, a first client playbook with scripts, templates, and much more. But instead of me just telling you about it, let me show you how this powerful tool can work for you and your business. I want to show you what happens when you start a conversation with Nisha. I'm going to click on this one where I'm saying, I have no idea where to start. Can you guide me? Now, every single one of these prompts can get you started, but I want to start with this one so I can show you. What she does, she greets you. She gives you a little bit of guidance as to why choosing a niche is one of the fastest ways to grow your bookkeeping business. Remember, Nisha was trained by me. At the very bottom, it says, let's start with the first question. Do you already have experience in any industry from your job, studies, or personal network? So I'm going to go ahead and say that I am interested. I could just say travel, but I want to say I am interested in travel. That's all. Like I said, here it just says type your answer below. If not, simply say no. Nisha will guide you. Perfect. Thank you for sharing. And you can see that she's got some encouragement in terms of some of the sub industries that you could focus on, like travel agencies, tour operators, event venues, and vacation rentals. Next question for you is, which size feels the best for you? Whatever you choose, and there's no right or wrong, you're going to get some type of response. I have given you a little bit of a descriptor in case you're not sure what each size of these is. So I'm going to copy and paste and hit enter. Now Nisha is letting me know what she's recommending for me. She's saying here are 2 niche matches from the Profit Booster that fit, but she's giving me another one, and the one that kind of stands out for me is this vacation rental. So I'm going to copy that, and you can see she's got more guidance for you. She's even giving you an example of what the script is, but because she focused on the travel businesses, I want her to customize it even further. So I'm going to say, can you please customize the outreach message to rental managers? Again, you're just following the prompts along and narrowing it further. Go ahead and take a screenshot of this, but she's gone ahead and customized it a little bit more, and you can always customize it even more. But you can see how she's referencing, accessing the Profit Booster right here. She's got some scripts from the playbook, but of course she's also letting you know that there's a lot more resources in the book playbook that you can access and use for your script template. You can see here that she has given me an actual outreach script that I can go ahead and adapt from my booked playbook, but I can customize it further. And then after here, you see how she prompts you for the next step. Do you want me to also draft a LinkedIn or Facebook version of this outreach so you can post it? I'm just going to simply say yes. Don't want to make it more complicated. And she's gone on and customized it even further. Remember, the whole point about niching or choosing an industry is to focus your language, your marketability, even your core offers will have language that this niche or industry can not only recognize but relate to. And so I'm going to go ahead and say, give me some suggestions for Instagram. I have to go ahead and make sure that I give her a little bit more guidance. Let's go back up. We told her that we have no idea where to start, but I gave her industry that I'm kind of interested in, right? We started with, I'm interested in travel. She then asked me what size of business I was interested in, and based on my response, she gave me some other suggestions. She gave me like a basic template, but then I customized it further with the focus that I really want. Next, she gave me some ideas as to what I could use to customize some outreach, but now she's given me a few other things, content ideas that I could post. Could you give me an email script I can send to contacts I personally know? And so based on this and the answers that I have already given her, she's going to give me a little bit of guidance on here. You can always expand it. And she's also saying, would you like a follow-up version? This can be as complex or as basic as you want. I want to show you another example. Here we are again. And in this case, I'm going to say, help me choose bookkeeping niche. She's going to have a conversation with you. She's going to go ahead and give you a little bit of information as to what she can help you with. And then you scroll down and says, do you already already have experience in any industry from your job? I'm going to say no. So then she's going to prompt me with additional questions that are going to guide this next step and the next step and the next step. Here she is working away, and from the Profit Booster document, this is meant to work with both the Profit Booster and the Booked Playbook for you to have even more guidance and more scripts and templates and additional bonuses that gives you tools for you to really make this a powerful bundle. Here's 3 strong niche matches that fit your preference from solo owners, content creators, personal trainers or wellness coaches, freelance graphic designer, and website designers. I like this, but I'm going to focus on graphic designers. And even then, I could say, can you give me more specific graphic designers? Now, this bot, this niche matchmaker, has been trained by me. She literally has hundreds of pages that I have trained her on, and I have ran the prompts over and over again in different situations. If you have the free version of ChatGPT, you will have limited versions that you can run this on, and you may have to wait until the following month. But if you have the paid version of ChatGPT, you can do these unlimited times. So you can see here, it gives you a little bit more information as to why this niche works, and you can scroll down and you can do even more. Customize the outreach. You can say, would you like me to create a step-by-step outreach plan? I could just say yes. The power of this tool is that you can have a conversation with her and she will provide you with more guidance and the next step. And if you don't like something, you can refine it within the conversation because she has been trained to go to the resources, my framework, my scripts, my templates, my overall proven strategies and methods that I have trained her on. So you can see that Nisha has given you a strategy or an outreach plan that you can follow, and you don't have to do each one of these. You can choose which one resonates with you the most. With Nisha and the Profit Booster, you will gain clarity and confidence. Just by focusing on the right niche or specific industry, you will attract clients faster with a clear message, use proven scripts to start booking calls, or just to start the conversation, and spark endless content ideas for your social platforms or your DMs or just a direct outreach via email. I'll leave the link to where you can access the Profit Booster and Nisha the Niche Matchmaker. It works with a free ChatGPT account or Pro for unlimited use. Let Nisha match you with your right niche, hand you a script, and put you on the path for your first or next client. You'll receive the Profit Booster 1000 Niches PDF and Nisha the Matchmaker bot. It works with a free ChatGPT account or Pro for unlimited use. I'm pretty sure you'll love it, and I can't wait to hear how this powerful tool helps you to either find your first client or your next bookkeeping client. Enjoy.